Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to get a custom profile pic on PS5. Go to profile icon and click on it. Now click on profile, then go to edit profile. Now go to profile picture, then click on your profile picture. Now scan the QR code from your mobile. Then install the PlayStation app. Now open the app and log in with your PlayStation account. Then click on profile icon, then click on edit profile. Then click on edit beside the profile picture. Then click on change picture. Then click on phone library. Now select the picture you want. Then click on done from top right. Then click on save and yes. Then go to back and select the uploaded photo. Then click on OK. By following the steps, you can change your profile picture on your PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.